Just gonna let it roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. None of my wood is straight. Help! No, that's terrible, dude. Just stop with the the 10 foot. I'm gonna get some coffee. Coffee. The ends do have this green paint. Ooh! It's heavy. Take one good look, because this might be the best this wood looks ever again. Pine boards. And we're gonna cut them to 78, boop, boop, boop. We're gonna cut them. Okay. Wow. Okay. And we're gonna, I'm coming to kill the spider.
You can't just stop.
Why not? Who cares? Nobody cares. Whew, this is heavy. Hey, never wanna hear you say, I want it that way.
Oh, chills. Literal chills.
That's him. That's the one who murdered my brother.
Oh my God, I forgot about that part.
Guys, my wife's been out of town and I'm going crazy. That pencil's down there now. In today's video, I'm gonna be cutting some fingers.
You can't use that in the bloopers.
And now I stare at the camera for a second. Okay. And then I'm going to glue them together, and that's gonna give me a better base. So, wait. There's the howling dog. Oh no, they've started a howl.
Gary, quit it. You're gonna start a howl.
I didn't start it.
Okay, I think it's over. And if I said that there wasn't a bunch of wood chips in my driveway that shouldn't be there, I would be lying. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're doing it. We're doing it again. Frick, that's fine. And then sell it to myself.
You're so pretty.
I really like those. I really like, there's a couple things that I think.
I think we're done here.
As well as 5 quarter circle. And another one down, and another one down, another one bites the dust. Are you ready? Ow! Are you ready now? Another one bites the dust. I can't say that. Oh, frick. There's oil on my hand. Shoot. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. I had a good time making this. Wow, it sounds weird under here. Stay. 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 Ha! Bench! No, I got the gigglies. Am I scared to sit on this because I think it'll break, even though it probably won't, because wood glue's really strong? Yes! Did I clap? Ha! Reading instructions, very helpful. Math. Oh. Whoopsie. That's fun, probably, right? Yeah. Yes. Why can't I ever find any straight wood in my life? I'm gonna use a tripod. Woo! Oh, how many times am I gonna hit the frickin' ceiling, dude? Oh. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, sorry. I just, you know, I was unable to find something that I was, no!
I think I'm making you so nervous.
You are, yeah, this is horrible. Please leave. This is the worst. Please go away. Secure them. Sorry about the dogs. Brandy! Guys. Oh, here it is. Ha! Anybody need a shim? English, do you speak it? Let me think. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Boom. However, with the price of curtain rods these days, rude. If you dislike this video, well, then you need to install a plugin that'll give you the dislike button back, and then you can hit dislike on the video, but it still won't show up really, but you can still do it if you want to do that, I guess. It's a bench. Pop. What else? If you made it this far, here's a cookie. And then I have to give him a cookie. That is the intro. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Boink.
Milling a straight edge on a crooked board is easy to do on a table saw.
Let's go do it. Terrible. Terrible. Hello. This is so goofy, but it's fun. Does that look terrible? It's not bad. No, it's pretty bad. So all toad. Son of a bench. Bench. Oh, I almost fell down. It's really dusty. Whew. So that's what I keep looking at the thing and not the her. Hello. Tilts up just a skosh. Talk faster. To start, we picked up 2 of these 8 feet construction grade pine planks, boards, wood. What are you called? Yolande.
If you've been following the channel at all recently, Tucker, relax. It's me. It's me, Tucker. Tucker. Chill.
So that's why, guys, doggies, I'm filming stuff. Oh, I did such a great job and I forgot to hit record. So long, and thanks for all the cuts. Oh, who the hell would sit on this? It does, 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 it does. So this will cost me nothing. Well, not nothing, only my time, which is worthless. So let's go. Okay, am I recording audio? Do we have audio? Surely there's something usable in there. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.